Welcome, guys. Let's do Bitcoin technical analysis. First of all, many congratulations to all of you who took this trade. Bitcoin was forming 1 hour bull flag and target was $35,400. Bitcoin hit my target very successfully. After that, that was second target breakout of this descending wedge and target was 36,400. Bitcoin hit my target very successfully. And the third target was breakout of descending wedge in daily pattern, daily time frame, and the target was 40,973, and it is about to break. And if you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now. And if you want to get $2,300 bonus of Binance and Bybit exchanges, go to in this video's comment section where you can get pin message and found these links. Click on these links and create your account, and after initial deposit you can get the bonus. Let's dive into the content again. Now what is next? First target achieved. Now Bitcoin, what most Bitcoin can do, let me please show you very clearly. In this daily 1 hour in this 1 hour time frame, Bitcoin is forming a bull flag again, and let me please show you, and let me please do this. This is the, sorry for that. Let me please clone this. And if you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for daily technical analysis and price target for the Bitcoin. And let me put it on it. The target is very much very clear, and it is $43,200. I think Bitcoin can hit this target very soon, and this is my target. Bitcoin break 1 hourly EMA ribbon, here you can see, and now this EMA ribbon is turning as a support zone for the Bitcoin right now. Now what is next? This is Bitcoin 4 hourly chart, and here you can see after hitting that, Bitcoin hit my target. After breaking that, Bitcoin hit my target, and Bitcoin was in this descending wedge. And now in 4 hour time frame, Bitcoin is also creating a bull flag type pattern, and here you can see. And let me please do this. And it is in ascending channel too. This is like ascending channel, and now what is next in 4 hour chart? Maybe Bitcoin can go down to retest this support zone at 36,700 if Bitcoin reject from that zone. But I think Bitcoin is very bullish right now, and I think Bitcoin will create new targets. And if I calculate this, the height of this ascending channel, in that case, let me please do the target. Let me please make the target. If Bitcoin break this ascending channel towards upside, then target will be like $45,500 will be the target. And if unfortunately Bitcoin fails to break this, then Bitcoin maybe go down to hit again this blue line, maybe like 37,800, and after hitting that, Bitcoin maybe again pull back and have to break this upper trend line, and the target is this $45,500. This is Bitcoin daily chart, and Bitcoin break this descending channel, descending wedge towards upside, and target was $40,900, and Bitcoin hit this target for $39,900. And now what is next? Bitcoin break this major resistance, which is at $36,600, and Bitcoin also break this $34,800 resistance. Now our next target is this $41,100 in daily time frame, according to the support and resistance base. Bitcoin can hit this target very successfully because of this, because this area is the beginning of this descending wedge, and according to the pattern, Bitcoin have to hit this. And let me please remove this. Now here you can see a very important thing. Let me please show you. If you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now. Bitcoin is forming a W type pattern, and here you can see, and this will be the neckline. If Bitcoin break this neckline, let me please do this. This is the neckline, $40,800. In that case, target will be like this. Let me please show you. Friend, please hit the bell icon. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon right now. $51,000 price target. $51,500 will be the target. But to hit this target, Bitcoin have to break this daily EMA ribbon. Let me please show you. And Bitcoin have to close candles above this daily EMA ribbon, and which is, I think Bitcoin can easily do this. In that case, Bitcoin have to break this upper trend line of $40,800. In that case, Bitcoin can hit $51,000, $51,500. And if Bitcoin fails to break this, and in that case, Bitcoin can reject from that zone. If Bitcoin do this, then definitely Bitcoin will act like this, and after that Bitcoin have to break this. Sorry for that. Let me please show you 4 over the chart again, and this is very important chart. Let me please show you. This upper trend line is a strong resistance for the Bitcoin right now, and Bitcoin is in this channel. And once Bitcoin break this channel, here you can see several touches. Let me please show you. Upper trend line, several touches. Here you can see, here you can see, and here you can see after touching this zone, upper trend line, Bitcoin rejected $39,970, and now Bitcoin is at $38,300. Once Bitcoin break this pattern, in that case, the next resistance zone waiting for the Bitcoin from $41,000 to $42,000. This is the area. This is the area. Once Bitcoin break this area, in that case, Bitcoin will be extreme bullish. I repeat my words. If Bitcoin break this area, $41,000, $42,000 with 4 hourly candle closing, and break this upper trend line, in that case, Bitcoin will be very bullish. Until now, maybe we can see some sideways action. Maybe Bitcoin, let me please show you. Maybe Bitcoin, if reject from that zone, maybe Bitcoin can hit again this zone, because this is very strong support zone right now for the Bitcoin, $38,000. And this is the support zone for the Bitcoin right now. And this is a very strong support zone for the Bitcoin, $38,000. And let me please show you, this is at $37,800. Sorry, this is the area. Let me please arrange this area. $38,000. This is the area, which is very strong support right now for the Bitcoin. If Bitcoin break this channel and break this upper trend line, in that case, Bitcoin can hit this kind of targets. Let me please show you. But please remember one thing very clearly. If in any breakout volume comes, in that case, this will be valid breakout. Otherwise, maybe it will be a fake out. Here you can see $50,000, $50,800 will be the target once Bitcoin break this area, and this is very strong resistance also. This area starting from this here to here, this is the area. If Bitcoin break this area, $41,000 to $42,000, and close 4 hourly candle above this, in that case, $50,800 will be the target. let me please show you my important chart, and this is Bitcoin daily chart. Here you can see there are some patterns. Bitcoin is in this channel, and Bitcoin hit several times up this upper trend line, and this upper trend line here you can see the upper trend line of this channel, horizontal channel, or you can say descending channel, and the upper trend line of this this is upper trend line is acting like a resistance. And if you see clearly, then here you can see Bitcoin break this triangle, and according to the pattern, target will be like this. Sorry for that. Technical target will be $50,000, but before this target we have to look this area. This area is very, very strong resistance for the Bitcoin right now. If Bitcoin break this area, $42,000 area, and broke this upper trend line, in that case, and close daily candle above this, in that case, with high volume, then target will be $50,000, $50,800. Let me show you weekly chart, and this is very important chart. Whenever this yellow line is 50 weekly moving average, this white line is 200 weekly moving average, and whenever Bitcoin touch this weekly 50 weekly moving average, and it acts like a support zone, and after that pull back Bitcoin price 55%. And here you can see history repeats. This yellow line 50 weekly moving average acts like a support zone, and after hitting this, Bitcoin moves 59%. And now history is repeating again. After hitting this yellow line 50 weekly moving average, Bitcoin moves towards upside and hit 600%. And now Bitcoin again touched this 50 weekly moving average, and now it is again seems very, very bullish. Let me please show you. If this happens, then minimum target will be 55%, and if we count this, then our target will be like round about $50,000. This is the minimum target, and after hitting 50,000, Bitcoin can hit again all-time high, and onward Bitcoin can hit $1,000, $100,000 price level too. Friends, this is my prediction, and these are my targets. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now. And please, if you want to get these bonuses, Binance and Bybit $2,300 bonus, go to videos comment section where you can get pin message and these links. Click on these links and create your account, and after initial deposit you can get this bonus. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me. Take care.